Hey everyone! Today we are going to flip through a cute little pocket-sized book. As you can see, my hand is almost as big as it. This is called Valentine's Cuties by Joshua Dunbar. Now, he had done a Christmas one, and by the time I bought it, it was after Christmas. So this time I'm ahead of schedule and I got the Valentine's one. But his Christmas one was super cute. So I wanted to show you this one as well. Okay. Now this is Amazon Create Space paper, just FYI. And they have a slight grayscale to them. Nothing like crazy, but you can kind of see the little hints of it. But I mean, look at how cute these are. And they're like quick, little easy pages you could color. You could either do markers. Oh my gosh, I want to color that one. Love coloring macaroons. Yeah, you can do markers, pencils, marker base, and then pencils, which I know a lot of people love. As you can see, it's single-sided, so it doesn't matter if you use markers. But it's just like a tiny little book you could take on the go. Or like what I like to do with, say, like my Hannah Lynn pocket-sized ones. Oh, that's cute. I like that one. It's like when I'm in between a page or I'm just kind of stuck, I'll, turn to these pocket-sized ones because they're just so quick and easy. Then you feel like satisfied that you've done something, especially when you're working on a more complex picture. Oh, that's cuteness. But yeah, I mean, like, see how quick and easy these could be? You could scan them too if you want to put them on paper you like. These would make really cute cards as well. Like if you scanned and put it on some cardstock, colored it, put it on the front of like a cute little card. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I'm not lying. I think you're great. It's all Wizard of Oz. Oh, that's so cute. I like Joshua Dunbar, and I'm so happy that he's coming out with his own kind of books. That's going to be fun. But yeah, it's just, his Christmas one was so cute, and I was so bummed I got it after Christmas. It's there for next year, but I got this one early, because I definitely want to color this. Ooh, rock candy. This would be a fun tutorial. Because it's not really like crystals, it's a little different, they don't have that same crystal effect. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Oh, look, another one, like Alice in Wonderland. I like that. This is a little more detailed, but it would still be a lot faster than if it was 8.5 by 11. That's pretty. Oh. These are cute, but they're not like all just super over the top. So here's that Christmas Cuties one I was talking about. I ended up buying that. I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, oh, you get a sample of the Christmas Cuties. Look at that. So if you already have Christmas Cuties, then like me, you'll already have these images, but I'd love to see if he keeps coming out with more pocket-sized ones. So here's his other books that he has. You can just search for him. He used to do a lot of coloring book cafe style books, but now he's kind of breaking out on his own. But I'm really, really loving the pocket-sized ones. So that is Valentine's Cuties. Let me know if you have already gotten this, what you think. But like I said, it's not over-the-top Valentine's-y, so you could color some of these like any time of the year. Like that one. That could be colored in January, June, whatever. You know what I mean? Same with that. So, but either way, this will definitely be something I color in February. All right, everyone. I hope you have had a wonderful day. And until next time, take care. Bye now.